Hi friends, how are you? I am Mohammed Leon from LeonsBD, and in this video I will show you how to understand printable area in MS Excel. Okay, so let's get started. So this is a MS Word document, and this document contains so many columns. If I try to print this document, whether this document will be printed on a page properly or not, so how we can understand that? Okay, so at first we will go to view, and from here we will select page break preview. Okay, so here see, this is a line, and this line indicates the printable area. So now if I print, so from here up to this will be printed, and the rest of the portion will not be printed or will be printed on the next page. So we don't want to do that mess. Okay, so what we can do, we have to increase or extend this area up to this. Okay, so go to page layout, and from here say scale, we have to decrease the scale. Okay, so now 100% is remaining by default. So if I decrease 95%, see this area has been increased. So I am decreasing scale again 90%. So this printable area has been increased. Again I am decreasing 85%, and see printable area has been increased to the full document. Okay, so now if I try to print this document, this full document will be printed on a single page. Okay, so in this way we can understand the printable area in MS Excel. So if you like this video, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.